Okay, this is a case of bird points. Just for an idea of size, take this one here in the middle. I'm not going to go through and pick all of these up. Sun is not out today, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. There's one of those Jack's Reef pentagonals, as is that little thing there. That's another Jack's Reef pentagonal. And another one. That's interesting. It's got two little tangs or ears sticking out up there close to the top. Alright, that is all of the bird points in this case. I got a good many more, but this is just some I put together in a case. I'm going to move to the next case. Thank you.